focus on Vajrasana. Vajrasana is also a comfortable seated position. This is the comfortable cross-leg position. For Vajrasana, you sit on your heels. Or if I have to show you, you sit on your heels like this. Your toes flat, your palms either facing up or down. And Vajrasana is the only asana that you can practice on a full stomach. It's very good to sit in Vajrasana after your lunch or your dinner because this aids digestion, it prevents piles, fistula and all other digestion related problems, and is also very good for people who suffer from excessive gas problems as well. You can start with 30 seconds, you can move on to 1 minute, 2 minutes and so on, till your ankles get used to it and completely opens out your ankle, and you can sit for a very long time like this without getting uncomfortable.
Sitting on your heels, slowly move on to a table. Exhale and lower the hips to the heels and forehead on the floor. Have the knees together, or if you're more comfortable, spread the knees slightly apart. The arms can be overhead with your palms on the floor. Palms or fists can be stacked under the forehead. Or arms can be alongside the body with palms up.
We're going to come into a Nadi Shodhana to balance the left and the right side. Anxiety or stress is normally caused when one side is overactivated. The masculine side or the solar side, the superactive side is always active, so the other side of you feels left out. And that's when anxiety or stress comes into play. So we're balancing both our sides. You'll come into a Vishnu mudra, where the second and the third finger roll in. Okay, you'll form this mudra, and with the thumb, you'll close the right nostril. The other hand can be either facing up in a chin or a Gyan mudra. And this, when it faces up, is asking for more connection with the entire universe. And it's facing down, it's seeking more grounding in your life. You know best what you need, trust your own intuitive judgment. With the right thumb, we'll close the right nostril. You'll take a deep inhale through the left. With the ring finger, you'll close the left nostril and exhale through the right. Just the same movement, inhale again through the left. And exhale through the right. Long breaths, breathe with me, long inhale. Pause, long exhale. Again, long deep inhale. And a nice long deep exhale. Do 6 more such breaths with me. Inhale. Exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale. Remember the long breaths we said in the beginning? Same style, okay? Inhale. Feel the whole spine elongate. It's connected to your brain, the center of all emotion. Exhale, release. Close your eyes, there's nothing to see. Inhale, deep breath in. Connect back to the present moment. And a nice long deep exhale. Two more, my loves. Inhale. And one long, deep exhale.
Next, we move to the prone postures. And first is Makarasana. This asana relaxes and heals the entire spine. In fact, this pose is best for relaxing after doing other prone lying asanas. Shavasana we practice at the end of all asanas. It relaxes and rejuvenates the entire physical, mental, and the spiritual self. It releases the fatigue, stress, and the tension. Practice Shavasana for about 5 to 10 minutes.